Hello, all you beautiful souls, and welcome to my channel. So, today we're going to be opening up and checking out Madame Endora's fortune cards. Featured artwork by Christine Philpock. Oh, alright, cool. Um, uh, Handy dandy X-Acto knife, you know what it is. Alright. If you're coming over from the last video, what's up? How's it going? Welcome. If you're not and you skipped that last video and you're just showing up, hey, how's it going? Welcome. Hope you're having a beautiful day, morning, afternoon, evening, night, wherever you are in the world. I'm actually gonna get into this deck right now. All right, cool. Okay. Let's see. Now this deck is from Monolith, I believe it is. Monolith Graphics. So it's the same, I guess, publisher that publishes the Gothic Tarot. If you're not familiar with that, it's on my channel because I did a did an overview on that as well. Pretty in depth, as a matter of fact. It's like 15 minutes of it. It's one of my favorite tarot decks. It's this one right here by Joseph Vargo. If you don't have this deck, get you this deck. This is such an amazing deck. Alright. Now that that's out of the way and I shilled for Joseph Vargo, let's go ahead and get into it with these cards right here. Now, honestly, I found out about this deck from the little I guess inserts that they had with the Gothic Tarot, and I've been meaning to get these cards, man, because I've just been like so fixated on like fortune cards and stuff like that. I ended up getting the Kipper deck, but it's just that's the only one I have right now. So, all right, so let's see here. Oh, look at that. See, like it has this, and it also promotes the Gothic Tarot as well. Look at that. Sweet. Alright, so let's see here. The booklet. Okay, so it goes over each card, I guess, to record whatever. Whatever. Booklet. I always recommend to get the actual book or a compendium, whichever they want to call it, guidebook. So, how many cards is this? Does it say? Wow. Okay. Does it say how many cards? Let's see here. Do they have... No, there's no numbers on the cards. Oh, okay. Okay, so I looked at I just took a glance. And, you guys are going to really like this deck, man. Alright, so this is the back. Alright. Sorry for showing you this for a few minutes. I'm super hyped about this. Alright, just give me a second. Alright, here we go. Still a little thing here, but once you lay it down, lay it flat, it'll go away. You know, that's how it looks. It's not really warped, which is really good. Alright. The King. Look at this. Dude, this, I love this. It's super vibrant, very detailed with the artwork, and it's got like this aesthetic where it feels as though like the images pop out at you, but they're not embossed. It's not embossed, but it looks like the image just pops out, which is really nice. Oh, look at that. I love that. Wow. This is amazing. I cannot wait to use these in my readings. Also, if you like my if you like the channel, I would really I would like to ask you guys, if you guys are subbed, whoever's watching this, would you like tarot readings on the channel? I can do tarot readings. I can, singles, couples, or whatever. Just let me know if you guys want some tarot readings on the channel. Okay? Been pretty interested in doing that. Just want to know your guys' take. Oh man, I love this. Wow, man. Just like, I'm just enjoying these cards right now because they are just so beautiful. I'm loving the artwork, the aesthetic, the designs. I'm really thinking about getting the compendium just so I can know more in detail. This is so beautiful. I love the blues. Man, look at these colors. And that's it. Honestly, I didn't count how many cards because I was just so enthralled in the designs. And however many cards Christine feels whatever she thinks we need, then I'll trust her in her deck. Ooh, yeah. Oh wow, I really love the way these shuffle. The Gothic Tarot shuffle is amazing too. So I wouldn't expect any less. This is a great shuffle deck. Ooh. Got a little carried away there. It's not bad. Now, if you do shuffle a little hard, it's gonna bend a little bit, but you can always pop that right back in place and it's straight again. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was as informative as you needed it to be. If you need me to go into more details on it, and just let me know down in the comments. I wouldn't mind going through the cards. I mean, especially if I'm going to be looking at this little booklet, I don't mind sharing my thoughts on it. But yeah, I love the way the deck looks. I love the aesthetic, everything, the designs, the artwork, and I can't wait to use it in my reads. So yeah, I'm really interested in that. I'm pretty psyched. Anyway, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the show. And just have a blessed day wherever you are. All right, blessed day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever. All right, guys. See you later. Blessed be, fam. Blessed be.